Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to make a quote in NetSuite. Search for the customer for whom you want to create a quote. If the customer does not exist, you can create a new one. On the customer page, click the shortcut icon and select Estimate to create a new quote. Within the estimate or quote form, select the custom form you'd like to use. For this video, I'll use standard form. You'll notice that the customer name has been pre-populated. Enter a probability percentage for the quote. Set the status of the quote to indicate its progress. Enter the expected date by which the quote will be closed. Add a memo to the quote for any important notes or additional information. Select a lead source to track which marketing campaign the quote originated from. Next is to enter the subsidiary for the quote. Specify the location for the quote. You may skip other details if you don't have enough information to fill them in. Under the Items tab, add the products you want to include in the quote. Item details will be automatically populated. You can adjust them as needed. I'll update the quantity and price level for this item.
Sige.
Ah, wait lang, nagre-record ako.
Gamitin natin ang impact rin.
Crazy.
Hindi record rin.
You can update the Promotions tab if the quote is eligible for any promotions. Update the Shipping tab to enter shipment details. You can add details to the Billing tab and any other relevant tabs. Once you're finished, be sure to save the quote.
Thank you.
And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.